In this video, I'll walk you through the Blockonomics Search API, a powerful developer-friendly tool that lets you fetch real-time Bitcoin transaction data, wallet balances, and more, all through its super handy API playground. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Say hello to the Blockonomics Search API. It's designed for performance, offering high throughput to handle large volumes of queries. It's completely free to use. It takes care of the tricky Bitcoin blockchain intricacies and gives reliable data. The Blockonomics API playground lets you test code in any language. No setup, no hassle. Just click, run, and see results instantly. To get started, head over to blockonomics.co and sign up. There are two easy ways to access the API playground. From the dashboard, click the Help button in the side menu and select API documentation. From the website, go to the top menu, hover over Developers, and choose API documentation. Once you are there, click Login and scroll down until you see the Search section. This is where you'll find all the endpoints related to our Search API. You might be wondering about the API key. Don't worry, it's already taken care of. The playground automatically pulls your API key from the Stores section of your dashboard, so you're good to go. Now let's dive in and start experimenting with each playground endpoint. The Balance endpoint lets you check confirmed and unconfirmed balances in Satoshis for multiple Bitcoin addresses or XPubs. You can test it with any address, and it provides consistent responses. After each test, you can refresh the page to view the request log, just like you're seeing now. It also clearly explains what each status means, so you understand the reasoning behind the status codes and can confidently handle different outcomes in your application. The Search History endpoint returns the transaction history of multiple Bitcoin addresses or XPubs. You can input a transaction ID directly, and it will be captured in the code for instant testing. You can try it just like I am doing. Transactions are sorted by the latest timestamp, with up to 200 results returned. If you enter an invalid or incorrect address, the Search History endpoint consistently returns a 500 status, making error handling reliable and predictable. This consistency helps ensure smooth debugging and integration. The TX Detail endpoint lets you fetch detailed information about a specific Bitcoin transaction using its transaction ID. It also gives you insight into whether the transaction supports Replace by Fee (RBF). If the transaction doesn't use RBF, the field will simply be empty. It's a quick way to get full visibility into any transaction, including confirmation status, RBF information, and more. If an invalid transaction ID is entered, the endpoint consistently returns a 500 status, clearly indicating it's invalid. This makes error handling straightforward and reliable. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.